say hypothetically speaking, you are not certain of which direction to take, because either you're confused or you're just kind of like writer's block. You don't understand how to write your story. Well, here's a little template that might give you a sense of direction. It's up to you whether you apply it. It's helped many. So you have to remember the 4 C's. The first C in your life is curiosity. So that usually happens between teenage years till about 26 years old. Curiosity. Next comes creating. So about 27 to, let's say, early 30s, you're creating. Then about say 31, 32, mid-30s. We're gonna say mid-30s. About mid-30s to about let's say early 50s. You are now contributing. Then we'll say late 50s till the end of the road, you are giving to charity. I'm not going to sit here to explain to you what all that means, but ultimately, hopefully, you understand what those steps mean.